Bitcoin is currently bouncing exactly from our support level. Our plan has been perfectly playing out. We have gotten this bullish divergence, but very sadly enough, our entry was just missing with about $10 right here. So very unfortunate, we have been waiting for our entry to be getting filled for approximately 2 weeks now, and we were so close on filling our Bitcoin trade, but didn't quite hit it just yet. This is of course all part of the game, and I will be closing my position right now, because if we were to be retracing back towards that level, well, most likely we are not going to be creating a double bottom. If we are going to be retracing back towards this level, I do think we are headed even lower. But the real question right here is, of course, if this is the bottom with this bullish divergence that we have been creating, is this the bottom or are we headed even lower? Well, if you have been following me for a longer time, you of course already know that we have been creating all of these very bullish signals right now in the Bitcoin charts. We were just waiting until this support will be hit twice and we will take out our liquidity wick, which we exactly did right here, right now, yesterday. So it has been playing out perfectly. Now we do still have some resistance levels, which we still first need to break. And really, if we have a look into what's the price action right now, we are still technically trading inside of a downtrend. So yes, we are bouncing from off this support and we are getting all of these bullish signals. But technically speaking, well, we are still trading inside of this downtrend. And first of all, we need to be overcoming these resistance levels before really starting to say, all right, right now we are definitely flipping bullish. Now, probably we will be seeing which direction we are going to be taking, either towards the upside right here, or once again test this support and potentially even break towards the downside. Well, we are going to be seeing this decision being made tomorrow most probably, because tomorrow we are going to be having our core inflation rate getting released. Of course, all of these inflation rates will be very important, and we will be getting this data getting released tomorrow, and the core inflation rate really looks very strong from what we can be seeing from of our consensus and our forecast. Now, the normal inflation rate though is looking to be a little bit more bearish. So of course, depending on the actual results, we can be getting some volatility either towards the upside or towards the downside. And it is going to be very simple. From this consensus and the forecast, if it is going to be coming in higher than expected, well, it is going to be bearish. But if it is going to be coming in lower than expected, it is going to be bullish. So in case it is going to be bullish, well, probably we are going to be breaking back towards the upside. And in case it is going to be bearish, at the very least, we are going to be coming back at this support level and potentially even break towards the downside. Because do keep in mind, well, the more times we are going to be knocking on this door and not get a very significant bounce towards the upside, the weaker this support level is going to become. And if we have a look into towards this chart right here, well, if we are going to be breaking down below this support level, our next support level is going to be coming in at this orange box from off the 22.1k all the way down towards the 21.1k. So pretty significant if you ask me. Now, there is also the chance that we are going to be getting our data getting in just like predicted from of our consensus and our forecast. Now, if that were to be the case, I still would say that these results are going to be pretty bullish, and in that scenario also, because we are getting all of these very bullish signals right now in the Bitcoin charts, I just think we are going to be doing what we would do either way, and that is going to be that we are going to be seeing this bounce being created. So yeah, be sure to have a look in towards the actual numbers we will be getting tomorrow, and probably I will be one of the first ones to be sharing these actual numbers, because always I am actually one of the first guys on Twitter to be sharing these actual results. So make sure to be following me and turn your notifications on. Also, if you are interested in trading, you can do so on Bybit and get $40 for free, and you can be doing whatever you want with this money. You can withdraw it, you can trade with it, you can do whatever you want. So make sure to check out this post and click this link right here and claim your free gift with depositing $100 or $200. Now, I do want to be saying, about a month ago or so, we of course saw our hash ribbons flashing a buy signal. After that, of course, our Bollinger Bands were screaming for volatility, and in the end of the day, we got our major volatility being created towards the downside. Now, of course, this doesn't take away the fact that still we got this massive buy signal right here. And out of the 16 times that this signal has flashed, 14 times it has indicated a very good buying signal. So this signal has been right about 90% of the time. So in the end of the day, will we have a good chance that we are headed even lower and crash all the way towards the downside? Well, in my opinion, it is not going to be very likely, and I'm just going to be accumulating as many Bitcoin as possible because there are only 210 days left for the Bitcoin halving, and that is a very good indication of about when the next bull market will start. So well, time is running out and I'm accumulating as many Bitcoin as possible. And if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, be sure to be following me on Twitter, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.